Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you wondering which digital marketing is best for beginners? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have some exciting gifts for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland. Originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, and I'm currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of those. Because back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time and living from paycheck to paycheck. Up until that time, I was dabbling, you name it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, even drop shipping, been there, done that. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. And back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren. She went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following, to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. In fact, she's gone past the $2 million mark in 2 years, and she's actually on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn 6 figures. So what I love about this program is even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get ongoing weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship sessions from 6 and 7 figure earners who've used the blueprint to earn 6 and 7 figures. Every single week, I get this live interactive coaching and mentorship. So if you're a beginner and you're wondering which digital marketing opportunity is best for you, then you're in the right place at the right time, because these are things that you need to look out for. These are things I wish I'd known when I first started in this online space, right? First and foremost, you as a beginner, you want to make sure that the program that you have is not something that you get access to, right? And then you're left on your own. You have the login details, or maybe you download the program onto your computer and it's good luck, see you later. As a beginner, that's not going to work for you, because let me ask you this. How many programs do you have access to right now that you paid for in the past, that you started with the best intention, but life got in the way and you never got to finish the program, right? So as a beginner, you need to make sure that the program that you have is something that's interactive, it's live, it's a living, breathing program, right? So that's what I love about this program, because it's I get live every single week. I get 6 and 7 figure earners to coach me and train me, and I can actually ask them many questions, and it's absolutely brilliant. The next thing that you need to look out for as a beginner is that that the program that you're going to use is proven, right? It's not just proven for the few people at the top, but it's proven to actually work for different people at different levels, different countries in their lives, right? You need to have a proven program. So if the program should make you feel that if this can work for them, right, it's going to work for me. But sometimes we look at people earning a ridiculous amount of money, right? And we look at them, they're different to us. We're like, they can do it and I can't, right? If you've been there, I have, right? Until I realized that I am the exact same as them. The only difference is the experience that they have, right? But some programs, you have a few that are making money and the masses are struggling. But if you can get your hands on a program that has a mixture, right? Some people are earning ridiculous money, others are just getting by, and then you know that it's proven to convert, right? So this program I'm going to share with you actually ticks that. We have over 45,000 members, and every single day we have people at different levels sharing the income proof. So stick around to the very end, because I'm going to share some of this income proof with you. The other thing that you have to make sure is that the creator of the product has a proven track record as well. Okay, they have done what they saying the program's going to do. That's so important, as well as other people getting results as well. Now, The other thing that you should look at when, as a beginner, is you want to work smart, right? There's loads of digital programs out there, and that maybe you get a percentage of the commissions, 50, 80, 20, 25. So you have to go from working hard, and you want to cut out the middleman and actually get all the commissions, 100% commissions paid instantly and directly to you. Okay, so that's absolutely amazing, because if you're getting 100%, it means that when you make one sale, you get one customer, you've actually broken even because you got your money back. And the next customer, the next sale is then you're in profit, right? So you want to be able to work smart that way. So let me share with you here. A program that is absolutely brilliant for beginners, because it's actually it's a blueprint, right? It's a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use without technical experience, without following, without without anything. They can actually use the blueprint just like the creator did, and you can learn the skills to market online the right way. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like, and I'm going to introduce you to our community and introduce you to the interactive side of things. So if that's okay with you, I'm going to go ahead and share my entire screen here. Click share. And then I'm going to hide this and click here. Okay, so first and foremost, this is what the program looks like. This is we have different packages so you can get in where you fit in. Now this program, you can download it onto you can have an app on your phone, you can use that, and you can access it on a browser just like I am now. Okay, so whatever program that you're in, you actually activate that program. So here is the one that I'm in, and we have some exciting bonuses. Let me share with you the bonuses as well before I move on. If you get started, we have a Black Friday special where instead of actually activating whatever level you get at, you activate an additional income stream absolutely free by Black Friday, right? So if you get started here, you get one additional income stream. Whatever level that you are, you get an additional one. So here is the max one for income streams. So with this, you get a fifth income stream 100% free, right? So let me go to the other bonuses that we have. Now, if you don't want to show your face like I am showing my face now, most people actually start that way. They start by doing what we call faceless marketing, where you post done for you content. And by the way, I have hundreds and hundreds of these ready for you to use. But if you want to learn how to create that content yourself, you can learn from this bonus and this Canva course here. You learn how to create that invisible content yourself. Here, you learn how to, the mindset, you're crafting your message to making your first million from our Millionaire Mentor. If you want to create your own products, you get 200 product ideas. And here you learn about our Master Resale Rights business model, how it works. And then 30-day marketing strategies, where if you're new and you want to start video marketing, YouTube marketing, you can get ideas every single day for 30 days of what content to create. Here, our Millionaire Mentor went from 0 to $1 million in 17 months, shows us exactly how she did it. And our last bonus here, which is what I want to share with you, is our community. We have a community of over 45,000 members. And this is, if I just show you here, if I go to members, 46,000 members then we just passed, right? These are paid members of our community. And in our community, you get listed in the app on your phone, as well as access to on a browser. We get live interactive coaching and mentorship every single week, but by 6- and 7-figure earners. That was the Monday one just gone. Right, and what's this one? Onboarding calls. So if you're new as well, that's absolutely fantastic that you get that for you. And let's see what was there yesterday. Tech calls. You need technical help. You can jump on those, ask any questions, right? So this is where you get access to the live interactive coaching and mentorship. Classroom, again, this here is just a bonus, right? Is where you get access to our 90-day profit push. Our Millionaire Mentor, every day for 90 days, she sends us a video, and that video has a call to action at the end. It has, it's usually less than between 5 and 10 minutes. At the end, she gives us assignments. So you can see here, we're halfway, we're on day 45, right? So really excited about watching this and taking action. It's like having a Millionaire Mentor be there by your side, walk a step. We have a Black Friday promotion that I just mentioned to you. Here are the tools and resources. Our mentoring, if you miss any of the mentoring sessions, you can come in here and watch the replays of them. Very powerful. All our mentors have earned 6 and 7 figures using our program. And webinar, we have live webinars here. You get the resources, the platforms, mindset training. This is Amelia Mindset Trainer. She was actually on Netflix. We have some members who've earned 6 figures in 6 months. They train us on that. We have social media trends, so on and so forth, right? This is absolutely powerful bonus that you get access to. And lastly, I just want to share our wins we have in our community. 2 days ago, Jack, congratulations, got my first legacy sale. My guys, nice to meet you. I joined about 2 days ago and I've already made my first sale. Congratulations. We share a screen proof of that. 8 days ago, May Lee Johnson, $900 legacy ding. Love my sell dings with the Builders commission notifications. Congratulations. Alan, 6 days ago, $100 sell. It's getting real now. Congratulations, Alan. Welcome to your earner. Welcome. Oh, Findila just earned 6 figures, so she's sharing that. We welcome her as our 6-figure earner. Alana, 28 days, $118 affiliate commissions earned. Not only we actually learn how to activate multiple income streams. So this income stream here is from our system that we use, right? It's very, very powerful. She doesn't have to do anything to set that up. That's just there in the background. It's very powerful. $100 ding, still running in the 90-day run. Another $100 ding. Congratulations, Willem Myers, and so on and so forth, right? Jenny, 3 days ago, $900 ding before bedtime, made $900 before bedtime. Congratulations. Veronica, 17 hours, 1,800 while on vacation, right? Ended up having to do my live in the backseat of my truck due to not having access to the meeting room in our hotel, and a peak number of 200 people on my live. Oh, wow. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. So here what Veronica says, right? 17 hours ago, she's on holidays. She wasn't able to go live. There wasn't a room for. She went in the back of her truck, and she was able to go live, had 200 people in her live, and made that amount of money. So if you are interested in learning more, I have a gift for you. Now you're watching the right place, the right time, because you can get the Black Friday special, but I actually want to give you access to a 10K days interactive guide. I also want to give you access to 100% free done for you automated marketing system. Just click the link below to actually claim it, right? I'll deliver it to you via email, so put your best email and respond to my email. Ask me any questions. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic